going to learn how to do the Continental Cast On. So casting on is when you are putting the loops onto the needle at the very beginning of a project so that you can start knitting. You're going to start by tying a slip knot, and there's a whole separate video on how to do that. We're basically just going to tie a slip knot and then put your needle through the open loop and pull it so it's a little bit snug. Not super tight, just a little bit snug. And the slip knot, this loop, counts as your first loop when you're counting the number of stitches for your cast on. You're then going to set up your yarn to knit, and again there's a video available on that. And then you're going to be holding the needle with your slip knot in the left hand, just like you're ready to knit. Then you're going to take the right hand needle, and this is the first part of this is exactly how you do a knit stitch. So I think of holding your two needles parallel, okay? And then your right hand needle comes into the loop behind the left hand needle, okay? This is just like it is for a knit stitch. I hold my thumb onto the stitch that I'm working to help it stay still. So again, think about holding your two needles parallel. Your one on the right comes up into the stitch. You can see it's into the stitch, and it's behind the needle on the left. Left hand needle is in front. I'm holding the stitch on with my thumb. Now you're going to wrap the yarn around counterclockwise. So if you're looking down at this right hand needle, think about this right hand needle like it's a clock, okay? And the yarn goes around it counterclockwise. Here's what it looks like from the front. You kind of wrap the yarn sort of in front of the needle, but I think it's confusing to think in terms of front and back. Instead, always, always, always in knitting, the yarn is counterclockwise. Then you're going to take the right hand needle and you're going to pull the stitch, pull the yarn, the working yarn, through the stitch on your left hand needle. Now, normally at this point, if we were making knit stitches, there's one more step here that we're excuse me, not going to do with a Continental Cast On. Your next step with the cast on is you need to take your left hand needle, and it needs to kind of come up and around over the front of that stitch you made, and you need to come into, so again like they're parallel, you come into that stitch, left needle is still in front like it was before, okay? Now this is where you're ready to make the next cast on stitch. Now we've got two, 1, 2. We're gonna make another one. So again, we're already set up to make our stitch. Needles are already in position. Wrap the yarn counterclockwise around your right hand needle, and then your right hand needle pulls that yarn through the stitch on the left, okay? And then you see you have your two needles. They should still be pretty close. The left hand needle then comes around in front until they look parallel. You're going to come up into that stitch with the left needle in front. You might need to tug a little bit, sometimes it's a little tight. And now you are set up for your next stitch. Now you have 3. Okay, so do it again. Wrap the yarn counterclockwise around your right hand needle, and then you're going to use your right hand needle to pull that yarn through the needle on your left. Now you have 2, pull them apart the tiniest bit. Left hand needle comes around in the front, up through the loop. Again, think about the needles being parallel. And then your left hand needle should be in front, your right hand needle behind. Now you have 4 stitches ready for the next stitch. We'll do a couple more together. So you wrap counterclockwise around the right hand needle. You use the right hand needle to pull that yarn through the left hand needle and that loop so that you make a new loop. Pull them apart a little bit, but not too much. Left hand needle comes down around the front. Think about them being parallel as it goes into the loop on the right. Left hand needle is in front of the right, still kind of parallel in that stitch, sharing space in that stitch. And you're ready now. Now you have 5. You're ready for the next stitch. Once you have as many loops as you need for your project, so if it says cast on 16, you can count and see if you have 16 loops. Here you are set up ready to do to make your next cast on loop, but instead you just take out the right needle and then you are just set and ready to go with your work. And that is the Continental Cast On.